So I just got out of work. I had a little quick change. Obviously. And so I'm going to meet up with the people that we're gonna like kind of mob together. We're gonna roll in together. So I'm on my way to meet up with them. My boyfriend's gonna meet me there. It's like my family, because my family's also into cars. They have their own car show cars. And then I somehow got with a boyfriend who also likes cars and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, so that we're on our way there, and then I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I'm not sure if I kind of want to make a YouTube video. Like, should this just be a YouTube video? Like, sorry, I felt awkward. They were right there. So should this just be like a YouTube? Should I make a YouTube, guys? I'm thinking about it, because like obviously I'm talking too much, and right now it's gonna be too much for TikTok, because I don't have to put it in sections. It wouldn't be too bad, but I don't like people who do like parts, so many parts and stuff. But it does keep people interacted. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, that was kind of really bad, but we're on our way now.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it, move that bitch, put your hands up high.
Okay, guys, so we're the what? The kiss. Okay, so we're finally inside. It only took us about like 2 hours in line, but it's okay. Like, we're here now. Have a little montage coming up soon. You know, some light, some light. Sorry, we have a B-roll coming up soon. Right, babe? He's so cute.
Songs dedicated, you win. You hit the button with these blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to.
Checking, guys, I'm okay. Oops, sorry, you couldn't see me. Checking, guys, we're okay.
Oh, fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that. She wanna go and party. She wanna go.
Guys, look, we're couple goals. Look, I have Sakura. I just bought this. We bought it. And then he has Sasuke. Yeah. Wait, there's people there, so let's see. Aren't we so in love? Let me see. Baby, aren't we so in love? Guys. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is car show essentials. Beach chairs. Car show essentials. My turn. I do not like this, guys. It makes me very anxious. Someone's car went off. Hey guys, so we're currently watching all the cars leave, but I am going to end the video here because my phone's gonna die. But that was my day. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and give it a big thumbs up and a like and a follow. I meant sub because my boyfriend wants to get on me. Subs, you can sub, guys. But why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Wait, why is this